I'm gonna show you how to cook your bacon like this consistently every time. The only thing you have to do is go to your oven, and I'm gonna cook this in the oven at 400 degrees. Set your oven at 400 degrees, preheat it, and it takes about 3 minutes before we get up to that 400 degrees. So while it's preheating, you can go ahead and get your bacon out. Here in Texas, we use that thick bacon. It's about 1/8 of an inch to 3/16 of an inch thick. You want to take you some Pam, this non-stick Pam right here, and just spray your pan. You don't have to put a lot of it like I'm doing right here. I'm gonna put a lot of it. You don't have to put that much, just to put it on the bottom. It's not gonna stick anyway because the bacon creates its own grease. What you want to do is go ahead and layer your bacon, and if you can, make sure it's not touching each other, because if it is, it's gonna stick. That's no problem. So once you got it all lined up, this is some good fresh bacon from H-E-B. I buy all my food groceries from H-E-B. And you go ahead and once it's preheated, it'll beep, and you go ahead and put it in the oven. And once you put it in, you want to set your timer at 18 minutes. 400 degrees at 18 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this timer here. I'm gonna cook time. I'm gonna bring it up to 18 minutes. When I get it up to 18 minutes, I'm gonna hit start. I'm gonna go take a shower and come back 18 minutes later. And this is exactly 18 minutes later. This is what your bacon is gonna look like. Look at that, every time. And like you see a lot of grease there at the bottom. And I like to do mine like that. Or if you don't want all the grease, you can put it on a rack. And I'm gonna slow it down right here so you can see the art of this. I know you're looking at it, it's making you hungry. I'm getting hungry looking at it myself. And I just ate. So just look at that. That's at 400 degrees for 18 minutes. If you want to get it a little harder, cook it for 20 minutes. And you can also cook it, once you get it done on 18 minutes, just put your oven on broil for about 3 minutes and crisp the top part of it. And this is on the back side. Look, I'm turning it over. See, it cooked on both sides perfectly. So like I said, just put it in there for 18 minutes. Go take you a shower or do what you need to do. Come back 18 minutes later. And I'm gonna put some here on the rack and show you what it's look like in case people don't want all the grease on it. That's what it looks like. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.